This is the problem, just using the concept of Nebraska and its climate. We don't have one. We have to share whatever somebody's going to send us, because we cannot claim we own a climate type. Out here in the middle of a flat continent, open entirely to the Arctic. Now, I don't know how many fences there are, but there's maybe a couple hundred fences between here and the Arctic Circle, and that's all we have to stop the cold air coming down here. There are no mountains between here and the Arctic Ocean. So the cold air can come down, and we're open to the Gulf, and all that heat and humidity can come up here. And we've got mountains off to the west that can mess with our weather as well. When we have a Nebraska climate that can have 30 inches of snow in North Platte in the month of October, 1 week after it was near 90 degrees, people don't see climate change because they're too busy jumping back and forth and reacting to all the information that's coming at them from around them. Our winters are shorter, they're not as extreme. So we're finding pests are wintering over, we're finding rust on the winter wheat that we didn't have before because it's staying a little bit damper and longer in the fall and earlier in the spring. We're finding that there's more evaporation going on. There's the drought cycle that's in there that just keeps repeating itself, and we're coming out of a 7-year drought now. But there are these profound influences, and we're trying to come to grips with it. There's no natural thing we can do to stop climate warming. There's no natural thing you can do to stop aging, but you can slow it down by living a good lifestyle. If it gets colder, and you've found a way to get energy cheaper in Nebraska because you thought it was going to get warmer, and you've investigated different types of seeds for warmer conditions, at the same time you probably found some seeds for colder in your research, and you've insulated your home and found cheaper energy for when it gets colder. You win. Climate changes can't be stopped, but you can adapt and use that as an opportunity to jump forward into additional technology and challenges, especially here in Nebraska.